BCE Inc. is a giant in the Canadian telecommunications landscape. It's a household name synonymous with connectivity and communication across the nation. Founded in 1880, BCE has grown from a small telegraph company into a multifaceted conglomerate that touches nearly every aspect of modern life in Canada. You know them as Bell Canada. This brand is the face of BCE Inc., providing services that range from mobile and internet to television and media content. Bell Canada is not just a service provider, it's a part of the Canadian identity. With a market cap of approximately $52 billion, BCE is a dominant player. This financial muscle allows them to invest heavily in infrastructure and technology, ensuring they stay ahead of the competition. Their stock is a staple in many investment portfolios, known for its stability and reliable dividends. They control about 30% of the Canadian market. From bustling urban centers to remote rural areas, BCE's network reaches far and wide, providing essential services to millions of Canadians. Their extensive infrastructure includes thousands of cell towers, fiber optic cables, and satellite links. BCE's operations are divided into three main segments. Each segment plays a crucial role in the company's overall strategy and success. These segments are wireless, wireline, and media. Wireless is their cash cow. This segment includes mobile phone services, which are indispensable in today's world. With the advent of 5G technology, BCE is poised to offer even faster and more reliable services, keeping Canadians connected on the go. Everyone needs a cell phone. From teenagers to seniors, mobile phones have become a necessity. BCE's wireless services cater to a wide range of customers, offering various plans and devices to meet different needs and budgets. Wireline includes their traditional phone lines and internet services. While the demand for landlines has decreased, BCE has adapted by expanding its high-speed internet offerings. Their fiber optic network provides some of the fastest internet speeds available, crucial for both businesses and households. Media rounds out their portfolio with TV channels and radio stations. BCE owns several popular media outlets, providing content that entertains and informs. This segment also includes streaming services, which have become increasingly important in the digital age. Investors love stability. BCE provides that in spades. Their diverse range of services and strong market position make them a reliable choice for those looking to invest in the telecommunications sector. The company's consistent performance and strategic growth initiatives ensure long-term value. They are a bedrock of the Canadian economy. People need to communicate, and BCE makes that possible. Whether it's a business meeting, a call to a loved one, or streaming a favorite show, BCE's services are integral to daily life. BCE provides that essential service. Their commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction has earned them a loyal customer base. They continually invest in new technologies to improve service quality and expand their offerings. This makes them a defensive stock. In times of economic uncertainty, BCE's stable revenue streams and essential services make them a safe haven for investors. Their ability to weather financial storms is well documented. In uncertain times, BCE is a port in the storm. Their resilience and adaptability ensure they remain a cornerstone of the Canadian telecommunications industry, providing peace of mind to both customers and investors alike. Let's break down where BCE's money comes from. Wireless is king. BCE's wireless segment is the powerhouse of its revenue streams, consistently outperforming other segments. This dominance is driven by the ever-increasing demand for mobile connectivity and data services. It brings in the lion's share of revenue. In 2022, BCE's wireless segment generated approximately $9.2 billion, making up around 55% of the company's total revenue. This is largely due to the proliferation of smartphones and the growing reliance on mobile internet. Think smartphones and data plans. With the advent of 4G and now 5G technology, the demand for faster and more reliable mobile internet has skyrocketed. Consumers are increasingly using their smartphones for everything from streaming videos to managing their finances. This is where the growth is. The wireless market is expanding rapidly, driven by technological advancements and changing consumer behaviors. People are more connected than ever, and this trend shows no signs of slowing down. Wireline is still important, but it's facing challenges. Traditional landline services are declining as more people opt for mobile solutions. However, wireline services still play a crucial role in providing high-speed internet and other essential services. People are ditching their landlines. The shift towards mobile and internet-based communication is evident, with many households and businesses moving away from traditional landline phones. However, internet services are a bright spot. Despite the decline in landline usage, the demand for high-speed internet continues to grow. BCE's Wireline segment generated around $6.5 billion in 2022, focusing on providing robust internet services. Fiber optic is the future. The deployment of fiber optic technology is a key strategy for BCE, enabling faster and more reliable internet connections. This investment is crucial for meeting the growing demand for high-speed internet. Media is the smallest revenue generator. It's a competitive landscape. The media segment, while not as dominant as wireless or wireline, still plays a vital role in BCE's portfolio. In 2022, it contributed about $2.1 billion, facing fierce competition but carving out a niche for itself. But BCE has some strong assets. BCE's media assets include popular channels and content that attract a dedicated audience. These assets provide a steady stream of revenue and help maintain BCE's presence in the media industry. Think TSN for sports fans. TSN, BCE's flagship sports network, is a prime example of its strong media assets. It draws in sports enthusiasts and generates significant advertising revenue. BCE is investing heavily in infrastructure. To stay ahead in the competitive telecom market, BCE is pouring resources into upgrading and expanding its infrastructure. This includes the rollout of new technologies and the enhancement of existing networks. 5G is the next generation of wireless technology. The introduction of 5G is set to revolutionize the telecom industry, offering faster speeds and more reliable connections. BCE is at the forefront of this technological shift. It's going to be huge. The impact of 5G will be far-reaching, affecting everything from mobile communications to the Internet of Things, IoT. BCE's investment in 5G positions it well for future growth. BCE is spending billions to upgrade its network. This massive investment is aimed at ensuring that BCE remains a leader in the telecom industry. The upgraded network will support the increasing demand for high-speed internet and mobile services. They're also expanding broadband internet access to rural communities. BCE recognizes the importance of connecting underserved areas. By extending broadband services to rural regions, BCE is helping to bridge the digital divide and provide essential connectivity to more people. BCE consistently delivers solid quarterly results. Revenue growth may not be explosive, but it's steady. In 2022, BCE reported a 3.1% increase in revenue. Their wireless business is a powerhouse. Subscriber numbers keep growing, with a 5.2% increase in wireless subscribers in 2022. Profitability is key. BCE's margins are healthy, with an EBITDA margin of 42.3%. They're keeping costs under control, maintaining a capital intensity ratio of 16.6%. This allows them to reinvest in their business, with $4.8 billion invested in network infrastructure in 2022. It also means more money for dividends. BCE paid out $3.2 billion in dividends in 2022. Look for continued growth in wireless. Data consumption is exploding, with a 30% increase in mobile data usage year over year. 5G will only accelerate this trend, with BCE planning to cover 80% of the Canadian population with 5G by the end of 2023. Keep an eye on their broadband expansion efforts. BCE aims to connect 1 million more homes with fiber internet by 2025. This is a long-term growth driver, with BCE targeting a 5% annual growth rate in revenue over the next 5 years. Section 4. Valuing BCE, justifying the premium. BCE trades at a premium compared to its peers. Is it justified? Absolutely. Let's delve into why this is the case. BCE is a high-quality company with a robust infrastructure that spans both urban and rural areas. This extensive network ensures reliable service for millions of customers. They have a strong track record of profitability and dividend growth. Over the years, BCE has consistently delivered solid financial results, making it a favorite among investors. Investors are willing to pay a premium for safety and stability. In a volatile market, BCE stands out as a beacon of reliability. BCE provides that in spades. Their commitment to maintaining and upgrading their infrastructure ensures they stay ahead of the competition. Their dominant market position and essential services make them a defensive investment. In times of economic uncertainty, BCE's services remain in high demand. Look at BCE's price-to-earnings ratio. It's currently at 20.5, higher than the industry average of 15. This reflects the market's confidence in their future prospects. It's higher than the average. But so is their growth rate. BCE has consistently outperformed its peers in terms of revenue and profit growth, with a 5-year revenue growth rate of 4.2% compared to the industry average of 2.8%, but so is their growth rate. Their strategic investments in new technologies and services have paid off, driving sustained growth. They also have a lower debt-to-equity ratio of 0.9, compared to the industry average of 1.2. This prudent financial management reduces their risk profile, making them a safer bet for investors. This means they're less risky. In conclusion, BCE's premium valuation is well justified by their strong financial performance, market position, and commitment to growth and stability. Section 5. The BCE Dividend, a shareholder's friend. BCE is a dividend aristocrat. They've increased their dividend for over a decade. That's the sign of a healthy company. They're sharing their profits with shareholders. BCE's dividend yield is attractive at 5.8%. It's well above the market average of 2.5%. This makes them a favorite among income investors. The dividend is also sustainable. BCE has a low payout ratio of 65%. This means they're not paying out too much of their earnings. There's room for future dividend increases, with a projected growth rate of 3% annually. Section 6. Growth opportunities and challenges on the horizon. BCE has plenty of growth opportunities ahead in the coming years. 5G is a game changer for the industry. It will open up new revenue streams and business models. Think Internet of Things and smart cities transforming our lives. Rural broadband expansion is another significant growth driver. Millions of Canadians still lack access to high-speed internet. BCE is well positioned to capitalize on this vast opportunity. Of course, there are significant challenges. Competition is fierce in the telecom industry. Interest rates are rising rapidly. This could impact BCE's borrowing costs and financial stability. BCE's revenue grew by 3.6% in 2022, reaching $23.45 billion. The company plans to invest $4 billion in 5G infrastructure by 2025. Additionally, BCE aims to connect 1.2 million rural households by 2027, supported by government funding. Section 7. Conclusion. BCE's investment appeal. BCE is a blue-chip stock with a wide moat. They have a dominant market position, a strong track record of profitability, and a growing dividend. BCE's dividend yield is currently around 5.8%. Yes, they trade at a premium, with a PE ratio of approximately 20, but you get what you pay for. BCE is a defensive investment that provides stability and income. It's a core holding for any diversified portfolio. If you're looking for a sleep-well-at-night stock, BCE is worth considering. Just remember, no investment is without risk. Do your own research before investing.